One of Latin America's fastest growing economies in the last decade, Peru has made big strides forward in pulling millions out of poverty. But what experts call the infrastructure gap is still holding the country back. Joining up this country of deserts, mountains and jungle is a pending task, and Peru's president thinks China can help. That's why he made China his first state visit, he told CCTV.
China has a huge experience in infrastructure, and we have some major infrastructure projects that we want to push forward. One of them is what we call the Tren de Cercanías, the neighborhood train, which goes from about 250 kilometers north of Lima to 300 kilometers south, that would enable Peru to have a metropolitan plan for Lima, which is a city today of 11 million people, and soon it'll be 20 million people.
In October, Kuczynski's government was given special legislative powers to boost infrastructure projects worth $25 billion. Those powers will help it fast-track log-jammed projects such as expanding Lima's metro and airports in the capital and tourism hub Cusco.
This new government of Kuczynski is trying to involving Chinese firms and government interests in infrastructure projects that are not necessarily linked to Chinese investments in other activities.
Peru is the region's principal hub for Chinese mining investment, which makes up a third of the country's overall portfolio. China has invested in 3 multi-billion-dollar copper mines in Peru, the world's third largest supplier of the red metal. Investing in Peru's roads, ports and railways is also in China's interests, as it imports millions of tons of minerals for its own construction boom. Both countries have had what's been called a strategic partnership since 2013. Bilateral trade between the two countries has quadrupled in the last 15 years to more than $16 billion last year. Dan Collyns, CCTV, Lima.